Very good morning, and time is at about 10:16. If I'm audible, can you say yes? I assume I'm audible. Um, Let me also come on video very quickly. All right, so I think the day so far, okay, and okay, all right. So day so far, I think I'll not say great day, but I think it's okay day. The reason is I had a head yesterday night, which I had to manage, but otherwise I think that's absolutely no tension day. Let me share my screen. All right. Nifty. I think, yeah, it's very straightforward. It opened a gap up, and then, so right now this particular channel probably doesn't work, and I was looking at few other. Let me see what would actually really fit in there. I think that 20 minutes seems to be a lot more relevant right now, which is about 69, and then probably I'll also do 30. That is also a lot more relevant, but I'll stay on this, and then probably I also have in one more screen about I think it's a 5 minutes candle if I remember correctly. Let's check. Yeah, 5 minutes chart. So all the charts are showing some kind of a bullishness, and obviously I had a uh, bear call spread, which I was expecting if there is some down, something that is going to really will come back and camera a little bit later. So I was expecting a, let's say, if, in case if there is a bearish moment, right? So I'll be able to protect the portfolio. So that was the main intention at that point of time. But thankfully, markets actually opened up quite positive, which is definitely a good news, because anything positive, we should not complain, obviously. Uh, so that point of time, I started building a lot of these PE positions. So right now I'm at 25,450 PE, somewhere here. But then there is a, I'm actually thinking there could be high probability that might be broken. But if that breaks, I would probably get into losses on the hedge position. So um, I did short at the opening itself, the PE. That's how I was able to really reduce some losses, which is I think is a probably a good decision at that point of time. But as of now, for me, 25,500 is going to be breaking point. These are all the positions that I have at this point of time. If I so this is the hedge position which I was saying, which I think probably I'll remove the other things, right? So this is the hedge position which I try to build, but then right now what is happening? The PE is actually getting onto losses, so I'll have to. But then I do not want to exit immediately. I started building some CE on top of it, so I'll be able to gather some funds in case if it is actually doing making some money out here. But right now I'm keeping a close watch. There is nothing that I need to worry at this point of time. So the worst case scenario, I did gain on the portfolio, but then yeah, if I lose on the options one day, that's not the end of life. So I'm absolutely all right. So the other one is 26 September. This is very straightforward triangle, and I did exit one position, which is about 25,000 PE on some profits, and that is going on well. And last one, this is the loan barrier. Anyway, this got plenty of time, so I do not have edge here. I will add it later. I forgot to add here, but I will definitely add some edge here. But I think yeah, right now this is green, and then this is little red, but I'm not much worried. But this is something that I'll have to manage a little bit more carefully. So this one, what is happening is because it's a very for uh, it's actually in the money position, especially on the this one, not this one, I think, which got, yeah, this one, right? So It doesn't really do the time decay as the time progresses. So that's the reason you'll always see this curve. But I would be, as I said, very worried if 25,500 breaks, and then when I go to open interest, yeah, 25,500 seems to be definitely good. I would say support, but anything can happen. But I have plenty of time to manage, so nothing that I need to worry. So this is Nifty at this point of time. Let's go to Reliance now. Reliance is a very no-brainer trade, and it's basically I took a position somewhere in 3,000 CE. I think that's, as I said, there is no brainer. So it's if it goes down, I'm okay. If it goes up, also I'm fine. So I will leave it here. But then I think right now it is actually for 3.9 lakhs, it is giving about 17 or 18,000. It will give about, probably right now it give about 7,000. So that is basically 1% is 3,000, I think. And I think it gave 2% as of now. I think still it's a good money. I can exit probably today, end of the day I will exit, because 2% I think is a okay money. So last but not least, Sensex also I'm trading today, as I said in the morning. Sensex, I think it went on very well. So Sensex trades, what I did, I have exited a couple of positions here. I have exited 80500 PE, and I have moved to 8200 PE, and then the lot size is a little low, and then I also have 84,000, and say in fact I have exited one more position. 1 second, where is this? Yeah, here you go. I think it's not probably moving down. Here you go. So I have exited 85,000 CE, about 43,000, 43,000, yeah, and then after that I moved to 84,900. So right now I'm at 84,700, and then this place 82,200. I think it's I think overall a good trade. Again, there is nothing that I need to really worry. The reason is this looks like a very good football ground, right? So you have pretty much 1.5 top minus 1.7, 1.6 on the bottom. So I think it's my view. It's absolutely all right. Given the market scenario today, I'm not at all worried at all. So only thing is, if there is some manipulation, some sudden spikes, I need to be little worried and careful. I also used a good amount of more than 50% of margin here. In case if I'm not able to manage this Nifty Reliance, I'm not worried. So I will exit some of the Sensex trades and then try to gain some money out there and then trade here. So I think that's all. All I think pretty much relatively easy day compared to all the other days. So I think there are a lot of yeah. I think these are all. I think this 26th September probably it will start giving money little later in the day, because today once the expiry gets over, this there would be some time decay. So yeah. So I think that's the trade. Let me take some questions now. And okay, so let me take some questions, and I think I showed my positions right now. So overall, I think this is the right representation. So overall, I'm in 83,000 losses on Nifty, but Nifty anyway, we have multiple running positions. As I said, I will be only worried about not making losses on today's position. I wanted to definitely end with net zero, if not profits. But let's say even if I get, for example, if I get this zero, I might probably exit everything and then get into, let's say, fresh position, so that I'll be able to come up with some fresh thinking. But I think this 26th is still all right, I think. Yeah. So as of now, only this is troubling. 19th September. That is also I did an aggressive move on to 25,450. In fact, I had some exit. That's the reason you got to see this number is a little low. I had to do some exit in the morning, and again, I have re-entered this position. That's the reason. I think if this doesn't trouble beyond, let's say, 11:30, then I'll have to do some adjustment. Right now, I'm looking at MACD. So in the 5-minute chart, it actually shows some bullishness. And let me look at 15 minutes chart. Yeah, 15 minutes still bullish. Sorry, 5 minutes is actually showing bearish, but 15 minutes still bullish. So I will not that I'm in the bullish mode, but I will have to look at what is more accurate. So 15 minutes doesn't seem to be very accurate. So let me go to 30 minutes and then see. All right, 30 minutes seems to be accurate. 30 minutes is actually showing a bit of a bearish reversal from the MACD perspective. Sharing the screen. So, all right, I think that those are all the trades that I have for now. And yeah, let's see how the day goes. And I'm very positive on the Sensex. I think it's going to give money in case if I lose money on the Nifty, but that's absolutely all right. Some days are like this. So, okay, 1 second. Let me get this to. All right, so let me take some questions and then I'll close the. Mid cap, I did not check mid cap, and I did not check either of these stocks. I will do that little later. Yeah, I think I did answer. Today's move might be based on existing positions because of the expiry, and I think you are absolutely right. So today it could be more of a profit booking and also closing any of the positions. So tomorrow you are right. So tomorrow would be the real test of the markets. By the way, in fact, Nasdaq actually did a bit of a nosedive towards the fag end of the day. I think it's important for us to even see how the day would actually turn out to be today. And this is today is above. Okay, yeah, day high, and also yeah, as of now it's not day high, but then it's middle of the day. Middle of the day, I think. So day high is about. Yeah, it happened at about 9:30, I think. Look, book loss as I'm a bear in the market. Okay, I think yeah. Thing is, we should always change the view as soon as the market opens. We shouldn't really stick to. But then, if you have existing positions, you do not have capital to recover. That's a problem. Will everything recover by day end or we? I do not know, Darshan. So as I said, Nasdaq definitely yesterday it actually went up and then again fell down towards the fag end of the day. I mean, anything can happen. So, but I think, see, for me, price is the only thing that we trust, right? So, all these indicators they are derived from the price itself. So, if the price movement happens, then we'll have to take a call. But otherwise, I think we should be absolutely all right. Okay, so I think that's all for now for today. And as I said, Nifty, I will close if I get to a net zero, even overall. And because I'm in profits on 26th September, but I'm in losses on today's trade. So I will see if I can get to net zero. I will close. But Sensex, I will carry forward for tomorrow, which I have a good capital, but I'm not probably planning to induce much of a capital onto intraday today unless I see some good movement there. All right, then. I think that's all. I'm to have my breakfast. So I will have some breakfast after this, and then probably read some books and then see how it goes. And as of now, it looks okay. Okay. So unless there is somebody wakes up and then suddenly induces some spikes, we will not know. But otherwise, and no, this Sunday mostly I will not be doing live session. Gagan, the reason is I will be in Hyderabad. I think I'll be catching up with friends and relatives. I think. But if you have any topic suggestion, do let me know. Definitely, I will be able to really cover it. So obviously, that audience are very. Either I think I can only do two topics there. One thing is definitely on the trading. The second one is mainly on the how to become financially independent. So I think last week I did on how to get your first crore. I think there were a lot of positive feedback. A lot of people DM'd me as well. Yeah, I think some of the sessions I will keep doing. And if you have any topic suggestion, do let me know very obviously, if it is related to trading or financial independence, then I can definitely cover. I'm also looking to get some SEBI certification on what is it? There is a financial advisor, some certification. So I'll have to spend some time to study and then pass the exam. If that is there, then I can officially, not in this public forum, but officially I can give some trading sessions and other things. So right now I can't give. All right, then I think that's all from my end for now, and have a fantastic remaining day. If you're in losses, nothing to worry. I'm sure you will gain one more day, but if you're in profits, absolutely look at not to lose money. All right, then have a great remaining day. And today is, tomorrow I think probably I'll be in Hyderabad by this time. I'm at to book my flight ticket. I'll do that little later in the day, and let's see how the day goes. Bye bye.